Today, boys and girls, the story is 5 Little Monkeys Reading in Bed. Oh, here they are getting ready for bed. Gotta brush their teeth. When the 5 little monkeys are ready for bed, their mama reads stories, then kisses their head. It's bedtime for monkeys. Now turn out the light. Oh, mama, oh, please. One more story tonight. But mama's too tired. She's read more than 4. Lights out, sweet dreams, as she closes their door. One monkey whispers, "That book looks good. If mama won't read it, then maybe we could." The monkeys start reading. The story is sad. One monkey is weeping. She's feeling so bad. Then out come the tissues. They all start to bawl. They sob and they cry till the last page of all. It's such a good ending. Their sobs turn to cheers. Those monkeys are loud. You should cover your ears. In fact, they're so noisy that mama runs in. What's all this racket, this chaos, this din? They're saying, hooray, yippee. One monkey admits with a guilt-ridden look, we've been reading the very best happy, sad book. Mama raises an eyebrow. What was it I said? Lights out, sweet dreams, no more reading in bed. Her monkey sighs as she turns out the light. I wish we could read this new ghost book tonight. Just look at that goblin and mean-looking ghost. It's those shadowy bats that I like the most. One monkey starts hooting, an eerie ghost sound. Ooh! And soon they're all wailing and jumping around. They're going, ee, 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 ooh! Can you make those noises too? Then a dark, spooky shadow appears on the wall, but a knock on their doors frightens them all. It's the ghost! They all scream. But then, knock, knock. Who do you think it is? It's Mama. Mama walks in. What's all this racket, this chaos, this din? The monkeys all gasped. We thought you were the ghost. This book is so scary, we like it the most. Mama raises an eyebrow. What was it I said? Lights out, sweet dreams, no more reading in bed. One monkey shivers. Oh, that book was so creepy. So good, but so scary. I'll never be sleepy. She pulls out a joke book. We've got to be quiet. But the jokes are so funny. In fact, they're a riot. The monkeys try hard not to giggle or laugh, but then there's a joke with a foolish giraffe. It says, why do giraffes have long necks? It says, so they can wear lots of ties. And they're laughing, ha, 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 and giggling, hee, hee, hee. It's so silly, so goofy, they all start to roar. And then, can you guess who flings open the door? Who do you think's gonna open that door? Can you take a guess? I think you know who it is. It's Mama. Oh yes, it's Mama. She comes storming right in. What's all this racket, this chaos, this din? The monkeys keep giggling. They just cannot quit. Mama picks up their books. I've had it, that's it. Then she raises an eyebrow. Did you hear what I said? Lights out, sweet dreams, no more reading in bed. Well, the monkeys are tired. They're almost asleep. When they hear someone giggle, then laugh, and then weep. Did you hear that noise? And just who could it be? Let's sneak down the hall. Can you guess what they see? What do you think they're going to see down the hall? What can it be? The laughing, the giggling, the weeping. It's Mama. Oh, Mama. They giggle. What was it you said? She's reading the books. The ghost book, the giraffe joke book, and then the puppy book. And now she's crying in bed. Lights out, sweet dreams, no more reading in bed. Those monkeys are sleepy. They head out the door. Just wait till tomorrow, and then we'll read more. Mama's now sleeping. And they said, sweet dreams. Now they're going to go to their bed. And that's the end. They're all going to sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you liked the story today. Now we're going to have some treats to go along with it. Can you guess what we're going to be making?